Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we can discuss about the PowerShell. Every SOC analyst will pay so much of attention to PowerShell alerts. The reason is very simple. PowerShell is one of the most powerful tool available on Windows systems. Administrators use it to manage the computers, automate the task, collect the information, and also for troubleshooting the issues. For example, instead of clicking through multiple menus, administrator can run the PowerShell command and can complete the job in few seconds. So PowerShell is itself completely legitimate. So that is the reason attackers can use it for some suspicious activities. So let's discuss how they can use this PowerShell command. So instead of downloading or dropping the malware immediately, they can often use the PowerShell because it's already installed on the Windows. Attackers can use the PowerShell to download files from the internet, and they can execute the scripts directly from the memory, and also they can collect the system information, they can create the new user accounts, and sometimes they can disable the security controls to evade the security alerts. And PowerShell is a trusted Windows tool, so that is the reason so few of the actions looks like a normal administrative activity. And one more common technique is using the encoded PowerShell commands. Instead of showing the readable command, attackers can hide it using the encoding. To normal user, it's look like some random characteristics, but when the code is executed, it will perform some malicious actions in the background. The another common technique is downloading the malware. So PowerShell will connect to the external server, and it will download some malicious files, and it will execute automatically. So that's why PowerShell is frequently seen in some ransomware attacks, malware infections, and post compromise activities. So this is where security tools become very important. So EDR solutions will monitor the PowerShell activity continuously. So they don't just look at the process name. They can analyze what exactly PowerShell is doing. Is it launching suspicious child process? And is it contacting to any unknown internet servers? Is it running any encoded commands? And is it trying to disable any security tools? So this behavior can trigger the alerts for SOC analyst. When an alert triggered, analyst will investigate the command line, review the process tree, and will check the network connections. So based on this information, we can determine whether it is activity is legitimate or malicious one. And here is the most important thing: not every PowerShell alert is a malicious. System administrators, IT teams, and some automation tool use the PowerShell every day. The goal of SOC analyst is not block the PowerShell, to identify when PowerShell is being abused, because PowerShell is not a dangerous by itself. It's just a tool. The real question is who is using it and what they are exactly doing it for. That's why PowerShell remains one of the most monitored process in the modern SOC environment. Thank you so much. Please